Chances are that if you're looking to move into a newly built home, many of you may be considering a condominium. Condominium living is very attractive to people who enjoy convenience, security, amenities, and a community where many of the obligations of home ownership are reduced. It can also be an affordable alternative to owning a single-family home. It's important to understand that a condominium is a type of ownership, not a type of housing. An apartment, a townhouse, or a bungalow can all be a condo. When you buy a condo, you're buying the unit and the common elements, which may include driveways, landscaping, roofs, windows and exterior, elevators and corridors, and recreational facilities. As an owner, you get a vote in the condominium association, as well as a proportional share in the common expenses. Monthly condominium fees cover the cost of maintaining the common elements. As a new condominium buyer, you should understand exactly what you're purchasing. Make sure your builder is a member of a third-party new home warranty program and a member of their professional association. Check previous condominium projects by the builder. Ask for a detailed description of the unit and common elements. Ask about the monthly condominium fees, as fees may vary from one unit to another. Check regulations and bylaws to see if a portion of the unit is designated for rental and what the rules are pertaining to exterior color schemes, pets, and barbecues. Keep in mind that condominium fees will be considered when you get qualified for a mortgage. Have your lawyer check all aspects of your purchase and review the agreement of purchase and sale before you sign it. When you've purchased your new condo, get involved and stay informed. Consider becoming a member of your condo association board. This gives you an active role in the ongoing management of the development and provides the opportunity to get to know your neighbors.